8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Now I'm gonna grab 14 ounces of condensed milk and pour that right on top of that cream cheese. Ooh-wee. Now I have some pure lemon juice, you guys. If you wanna take the juice of lemons, you totally can, but any type of lemon juice will work. And you wanna add a half of a cup of lemon juice right in with that condensed milk and cream cheese. Now I have a nice fresh lemon and we're just gonna zest that up. Look at all that lemon zest just coming out right in there. Oh, this smells so good. So go ahead and zest yourself a lemon and just let all of that delicious zest go right in that mixture. Oh, it's gonna be fabulous. Once you have all of that in there, grab yourself a mixer and we are gonna combine all of this until it's nice and smooth and everything's mixed together. And oh my goodness, this smell of lemon, oh, it reminds me of summertime. All right, everything looks super smooth. And you see guys, that's exactly the way that you want it. This consistency, all of that cream cheese is just mixed right in with the condensed milk. And like I said, oh, it smells like summer. Okay, now the best part. We're gonna slide in our graham cracker crust. Now I accidentally got a 10-inch one, so it's a little bit bigger. The regular size will do, or I don't know, let's see how this works out. Oh, look at that filling. We are pouring it right in to this graham cracker crust, you guys. There is nothing better than a good no-bake lemon pie. And so far, this is the best one that I have created and I've tried, and I really, really, really wanted to share it with you guys. We're gonna spread that all inside. Oh, nice and smooth, creamy. Ooh, and so easy, right? Only a few ingredients. I love that. All right, we are moving right along, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and...
How's it taste?
Oh my gosh.
Like
wow.
summer?
It tastes like, yeah, it tastes like summer. It tastes better than summer. I actually don't even need any summer. I just need this pie. But first we have to put this in the fridge. We are gonna let it kind of harden up a little bit. It shouldn't take too long, maybe just about 25 minutes or so. And stick around because we just have a little bit more to do and it's gonna be so good. I am so eager to finish this up. Oof, so we've had it sitting in the fridge and now here I have some fresh sliced lemons and I'm just gonna place them right here in the center. Of course, you know what? Whatever you wanna do is totally cool. This is just what I'm thinking about here. I have a little bit of ready whip. All right, are you ready? Let's whip it. I'm just gonna put a little bit in the center. You like that? You like that? And then let's see, we're gonna go here, we'll go here, and we'll go there. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Now I still have some lemons here from the bag of lemons that I bought. So here, let's bring the zester over. And of course, you know, we're just gonna put some of this on top. Now this isn't necessary, you guys, but you know, if you have the lemon, might as well use it. Or maybe you don't have a zester, I don't know. Do you have a zester? Is that like a kitchen necessity that everybody has, that little, did I say necessity, accessory I meant? Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so pretty. Oh, I love that. Totally worth zesting the lemon on top, 100%. I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna get like a piece, like, let's see, right there. Oh, it looks nice and creamy, cut all the way through. I'm just gonna do a huge piece and get that lemon on there. Sheesh. We're just gonna see if I can dive right in here. That is a massive Mac Daddy piece. Do you think that the graham cracker can hold up through this process?
It better.
I might lose a little bit of it. Look at that. Yummy. Wow, it smells so good. I had a little bit of a taste and it tasted so creamy. Oh, look at that.
Let's see.
Look. Oh my gosh. So, best no-bake pie. Now, I only left this in the fridge for, I don't know what, babe, 25 minutes?
Yeah.
If you leave it in the fridge for longer,
You could even pop it in the in the freezer for a few minutes or so, and it would really thicken this up a little bit more. So I was just too excited, and look at now. I can't even stop eating it. This is so good. Hands down, you've got to try this. If you like lemon and you want something fresh, this is easy. This is the tastiest no-bake lemon pie. Probably one of the tastiest no-bake pies I've ever had. And I'm dead serious on that, hands down. I give this a 10 out of 10, you guys. Let me know what you think of this recipe. I hope you try it. If not, you're totally missing out. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.